everyone, myself Dr. Mahfouz Alam, Department of Psychology, Karim City College, Mango campus. In the previous classes, we have studied phobia, OCD, that is obsessive compulsive disorder, anxiety disorder and mood disorder under major psychological disorder. Now in this series today we will study schizophrenia. Let's see what is this. मशहूर मनोचिकित्सक बिल्यूलर ने इस रोग का नाम मनोविदलता दिया. The famous psychiatrist Biल्यूलर has given the name schizophrenia. यह दो ग्रीक शब्द सीजो और फ्रेनिया से मिलकर बना है. It is derived from the two Greek words सेजो and फ्रेनिया. सेजो का मतलब है विभाजित किया हुआ और फ्रेनिया का मतलब है मन यानी कि माइंड. सो इट कैन बी सेड द पर्सनालिटी विच इज डिविएटेड is called schizophrenia. In other words, we can say the personality which is deviated is known as schizophrenia. In schizophrenia, we see the person who is suffering, he has no knowledge about himself. In general word, he is mad. Even we see that the person who is suffering with schizophrenia does not eat himself. People feed him, and sometimes it also seen that he died with hunger. In some of the symptoms are he talks with the God and he listens different types of voice. There are different symptoms we find in the schizophrenic patient. Let's see what are these symptoms. Delusion. व्यामोह के मतलब एक ऐसे गलत विश्वास से होता है जिसमें गलत होने के सबूत होने के बावजूद भी व्यक्ति उसे गलत नहीं मानता है और ना ही उसको मानने के लिए तैयार होता है. In the symptom of delusion, the person knows that it is wrong. Even then, he does not accept it, that it is wrong. And number 2 is hallucination. The second symptom is there are different symptoms of schizophrenia. In the hallucination, कुछ रोगी hearing hallucination के शिकार होते हैं. उन्हें ऐसी आवाज़ें सुनाई देती हैं जो वास्तविक रूप से आवाज़ें नहीं हैं. Person hear different types of voice. Even sometimes it is seen he talks with the God, as I have already said. He has his own word. He has no knowledge about the reality. He is deviated from the reality. Number 3, disorganized thinking. ऐसे रोगियों का चिंतन काफ़ी डिसऑर्गेनाइज होता है क्योंकि वह सही ढंग से नहीं सोच पाते हैं, जिसके कारण उनका कम्युनिकेशन काफ़ी वीक हो जाता है. The person who is suffering with schizophrenia, their thinking are diverted, deviated. They cannot think properly. And number 4, poverty of speech. schizophrenia के रोगियों में स्पीच डिसऑर्डर पाए जाते हैं. रोगी किसी सवाल का जवाब देने में काफ़ी सोचता है, काफ़ी देर करता है, या कभी ऐसा भी पाया गया है कि वह जवाब नहीं देता है. in the symptom of schizophrenia, we see he does not talks, and sometimes he talks very less, and sometimes even he keep quiet, does not reply anything. Now we will see what are the treatment of schizophrenia. Number 1, occupational therapy. इस तरीके से मनोविकलता के रोगियों को एक हद तक वास्तविकता और जीवन में दोबारा लाया जा सकता है. With the help of occupational therapy, schizophrenia patient can be treated. Number 2, shock therapy. Insulin shock therapy is also very useful in the treatment of schizophrenia. And number 3, psychotherapy. Schizophrenia के रोगियों के लिए ग्रुप साइकोथेरेपी भी काफ़ी यूजफुल है. So we have seen here occupational therapy, group therapy and psychotherapy is very useful in the treatment of schizophrenia. Hope you have understood the topic schizophrenia, its symptom and what is this very well. Keep watching my next videos also, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe it. Thank you.